Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a lovely butter chicken in 30 minutes. I'd like to add that my recipe does not have any yogurt. If you prefer to marinate your chicken in some yogurt or add some yogurt while you're cooking, you can do so. Yogurt does give your dish a very subtle flavor. We prefer strong flavors in our family, so we opt to leave it out. The first top tip is caramelizing those onions to release the sweetness. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of Jeera powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of Garam Masala, a heaped teaspoon of ginger and garlic, crushed ginger and garlic. I've used 2 large tomatoes. You can decide whether you would like to liquidize it, take off the skins. We don't mind, we like the roughage, and I've just diced my tomatoes and added it to the pot. I'm going to give the tomatoes a nice mix, and then I'm going to add my other spices. To my tomatoes, I'm adding 1 heaped tablespoon of chili powder and 1 heaped tablespoon of masala. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Add about 1 cup of boiling water. I've used about 6 pieces of fillet chicken, boneless chicken, which I've cubed. I've just diced it up and kept it aside. So I'm just going to give the chicken pieces a nice mix into all that gravy and all that spices. And then we're going to add some salt. We will let it simmer for about 15 minutes on a medium heat. Close the pot. So it's been about 15 minutes now. My next top tip is to add half a teaspoon of garam masala towards the end of your cooking. That will also bring out a lovely flavor. Garam masala can be added in the beginning, but usually is also added towards the end. I'm now going to add a cup of cream to the curry, as well as a heaped tablespoon of butter. We can't have butter chicken without some butter, and let that all simmer in for about 5 minutes. And it's been 5 minutes. The gravy looks beautiful. The butter gives it a lovely glossy look, and we're ready to garnish with some dhania and serve. You can serve your butter chicken with some lovely naan bread or some fresh white basmati rice. It goes beautifully with both combinations. And here we have it, butter chicken in 30 minutes. Enjoy. All the ingredients needed to make the butter chicken is in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video has been uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are very welcome. We'll see you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. Thank you.